Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I was live with Mrs. Gigi earlier today. And it was on my channel. And we did the prom game. And we did a project. Okay. I did my project. Let me see where I put it. Is the question. Oh. This is my project. I did a journaling card for a junk journal that I'm going to be working on, and a bookmark for the same junk journal. Okay? But for the prompts, we did 2 rounds, and this is the outcome of my way using the prompts. Okay? This one here is the first one we done. And we had like let me see, I have them written down here. Here are the prompts for round 1. We had blue, so I took some blue scrapbook paper that has glitter on it and cut it to the size of a card that I had. Okay. Number 2 was old jewelry. An alternative was a quote. So I put this quote, which is, I am grateful for all the wonderful blessings in my life. I put that. Then for a word or words, I put beauty. Okay. Then we had the color orange. So I took my orange marker, and you can't see it very well, but I outlined the flag here and the quote down here. Okay. Then we had scrapbook paper. So I took some scrapbook paper and just ripped different ways so I could glue it on the page. Then we had fabric. So what I did is I took some lace fabric, sari silk ribbon, and more lace fabric and put it down here. Then we had mesh, which I did my own way of mesh, is which I cut a doily and it looks like mesh on the side here. So that's round 1. That was the outcome for round 1. Outcome for round 2. We had yarn. So I put some pink yarn. Again, I'm using packaging. Okay. You can use anything. And the prompts can be done in any way you want them to be done. Okay. So we have yarn here. Then we have the bling here. And we have scraps. Oops. I forgot to put scraps in there. Then we have the color brown. And then I used die cuts, which were brown, so that's 2 for 1. Brads. I have some tiny little brads down here. And then I made some feathers with paper. So that is the 3 items that we did today. And again, I lost the first one. So that's my 3 for today. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for when I upload new content. Also, be safe, be caring, be loving, be blessed, be kind. Most of all, be happy. And I will say this. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. See you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.